WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade.
you're tuning in from, whether you're just starting one morning, already in the middle of trading green, or relaxing at the end of your day, welcome to our global live stream. I'm Helen, I'm your host for the next 2 hours, and on behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's session is just another presentation. It's a real conversation, a chance for you to step into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking fund trading firm in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me are two outstanding traders who have shaped the culture, vision, and standard of WeMasterTrade. They are not only skilled professionals, they are the mentor and leader within our community. And further up and ever composed, always insightful and Brad. Welcome, Brad.
Thank you so much, Helen. Hello everyone, Rob here, and thank you for choosing us to spend your time with us today. I'm generally excited for this session because there's so much we are going to uncover, not just strategies or rules, but the entire ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund trades, it builds traders step by step from starting out to scaling to earning.
And next to him is someone known for the sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no-nonsense chart reading, strategic, precise, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Scarlett.
Thank you, Helen. Hello to everyone in the chat. I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me most is that today we're unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offers, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system, packages, promotions, scaling, payout structures, all of it. If you ever had questions or doubts, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly. Whether you're completely new on or already a funded trader with us, the live stream will whip you on the full picture, not just a highlight reel. We are going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, and how our programs are designed, and why we operate differently from a traditional broker or broker firm. And just to clarify, this isn't just about selling you anything. This is about helping you understand what you're signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structure to not only succeed but actually scale.
Let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. So WeMasterTrade was built as a funding project, not as a broker. That difference matters. Brokers profit from volume or client classes. WeMasterTrade profits only when traders succeed. We provide capital, take on the risk, and share profits when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy shaped our trading packages as well. Today we will walk through each package, who is designed for, how to choose the right one, and what to expect. If you have ever looked at our packages and thought which one fits my style, you will finally get the answer.
And beyond just explaining, we are doing a live side-by-side comparison, pricing, account size, macro around, consistency rule, payout timelines. Reading number on the website is one thing, understanding the intention behind the number is another.
And once you understand packages, the next big question is always, how do I stay compliant while trading? So we'll dive deep into the rules, especially the daily loss limit, how it's calculated, why floating profit and loss matters, and how to avoid violations, especially overnight. We'll also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstandings around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I won't just explain rules, I will share real experiences from my early funded trading days, mistakes I made, adjustments I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect your growth, not limit it.
And of course, we go through our current promotions, the calculus, support campaigns, capital bonus, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit proof properly.
So, and finally, we'll talk about the scale-up plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there is a structural pathway to grow into higher capital tiers. With consistent performance, you don't just get payouts, you actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded trader.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit-sharing models. This is the heartbeat of what makes us different from every typical platforms out there. When you trade on a funding account, follow the rules and generate profit, we share the profit with you and not just a small cut up to 90%. But here's the thing, the percentage is just the headline. What really matters is the payout circle, the threshold, how the timeline works. And we are breaking all of that down today so you know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
And now I know a lot of you turning in today as just a trader. Some of you are mentor, educators, community leader, or some simply have a strong network. So we are also diving into our affiliate program, and we are doing it transparently. We will walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and more importantly, what you need to qualify for payout. That includes a full explanation of the two referral rules and the minimum funding requirement. No confusion, no surprise.
And that's super important. We've seen huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome, but we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. So when you understand the system, you're not just earning commissions, you're building a long-term sustainable income stream.
And so you can already tell this is not your usual live service level live stream. Today we are going to deep into everything. Trading packages, trading rules, promos, payoffs, pathway, broker sharing, affiliate opportunities. All with one goal, helping you make a smarter, more informed decision for your trading journey.
And we want this to be interactive, not just a lecture. So if you have questions, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here. We are watching and we will answer as many as we possibly can. Your voice matters. This whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry. We'll leave time stage summaries and you can always reach out to our support team for clarification. And they're one of the most dedicated teams that I've worked with, and they really want the trader to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say that WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment. A commitment to build real traders, a commitment to fairness, the commitment to giving people all around the world a structured, scalable path to turn trading into a profession, not a gamble. So if you're here to grow, to understand, and to take action, you're exactly in the right place. Let's take this journey together. And alright everyone, thank you once again for being here with us today. Before we jump into the packages, trading rules, promo, and everything exciting that's coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment, because before you put your time, your energy, and your trading journey into a platform, understanding who we are and what we believe in isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so then this next segment is about origin, intention, and impact. It's about where WeMasterTrade come from, what value hold this entire platform together, and how the value transform into the real tool, real opportunity, and real outcome for traders like you. And to walk you through that story, I have got two people who are literally like embrace the mission every single day, Rap and Scarlett. And Rap led kick up from the beginning.
Thanks, Helen. To really understand WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike most broker or broad firms that grew out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with very specific missions to give capital traders access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background is, or how much money they have in their savings. Talent shouldn't be limited by circumstance, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. We were founded in 2022 as part of the WeCopyTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeCopyTrade made its name through investor networks, copy trading technology, and signal. But WeMasterTrade, it was created with a sharper, more focused vision to find high potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them, so they can earn professionally without risking their own capital.
And there's one key point many people overlook, and it matters. WeMasterTrade is not a broker, This isn't a slogan, it's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spreads, we don't earn from commissions, and we don't earn when traders lose. Our model only works when traders are profitable. That's why everything we build, instant funding, profit sharing, scale up, is designed with that alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk. We provide the structure and the pathway. Your role is to trade with skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something important. Skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one has been education first. We don't want traders just memorizing rules. We want them to understand the logic behind the structure, the why behind the risk model, and that's why we invested heavily into the WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take a trader from beginner all the way to consistently funded professionals.
And the academy is seriously something special. We have the training that's cover everything from the trading psychology to risk calculation and to environmental asset strategies. But the best part is, it's not just the theory, it's built to the mirror the real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in academy, you can apply directly to your funding account every same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global educational standards, WeMasterTrade route to be the ISO certificate or region given to the institution that reveal the high quality, structure, and internationally compliant learning system. It's a big achievement and it represents our commitment to long-term trader development.
Now, that certification isn't just a badge, it's a statement. It shows we are invested in developing traders, not just collecting fees and disappearing like so many firms in this space. While other platforms rise fast and vanish even faster, WeMasterTrade has built real structures, stability, compliance, transparent processes, and a team that stands behind every decision. We are not here for a quick way, we're here to have your careers that last.
And that commitment shows in the stories we hear every day. If you visit our testimonial page, you'll see the traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, South Africa, all sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them earn more, but help them trade with confidence and purpose. Some past challenges after years of being stuck with real retail brokers. Some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings. Some found clarity, structure, and support they never experienced before. We've watched students turn into full-time traders. We've seen women step back into finance after long career breaks, and young professionals from underbanked regions, people who were locked out of the markets, now trade with real capital and real opportunity. That's the impact we care about. That's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with the market, we maintain a consistently updated blog section, weekly insight, psychology breakdown, market reaction, platform updates. We believe trading is a long life grab, and we make sure our community never stops sharpening its act. And let's talk about the culture for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just the feature, it's the mindset in collective. Integrity, respect, shared knowledge. Whether you're chatting in our Telegram group, watching our YouTube series, and talking to our live support team, we will notice one thing. We actually listen. We treat trader like a partner, not taking numbers.
And I want to be very honest here, in most platforms, the trader is just another customer, but at WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entire model. Your performance fuels the business, your feedback shapes the platform, your consistency determines how far we can scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare, and it's something we generally value.
So if you ever question whether this path is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go read the testimonials, look at the funded accounts, talk to people who've been through the system. The stories are real, the capital is real, and the results, they speak loudly.
And to summarize, WeMasterTrade is a more than a platform. We are a capital allocator, a talent accelerator, and a an education for trading institution. We are here to challenge the status in trading assets, to reward performance over promotion, and to create real scalable income opportunities for traders worldwide. No matter where you start, this is bigger than a broad firm. It is a trading movement, and if you're already a part of it, today's live stream will give you the full roadmap to get started. And thank you, Rob and Scarlett, for the deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up next, we will take the foundation and connect it directly to what we offer. Our actual account packages that mean a full breakdown of or the different account options as WeMasterTrade, how they differ and who they designed for, and what kind of results you can realistically expect from each. And now that we explore who WeMasterTrade is and the principle we stand for, it's time to dive into one of the most important parts of today's session, a detailed discussion on our account packages. For most traders, this is where the journey begins, choosing a structure that's aligned with your goals, your trading style, and your current skill level. And when we say packages, we're not just talking about the dollar amount, we're talking about the framework for growth. Experts at WeMasterTrade represent a different pathway, a roadmap toward building skill, scaling your capital, and unlocking potential. And today we will walk you through every package, explain what it offers, how it's structured, and more importantly, who it's designed for.
Exactly, Helen. At WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all model. That's why we created two distinct product lines for traders, the Challenge Package and the Instant Funding Package. Each line comes with a variety of account sizes and configurations because traders come with different strengths, risk appetite, and timelines. So we make sure there's a path for everyone, whether you are starting small or ready to scale fast.
And now let's talk about the Instant Funding Package designed for traders who are ready to skip the challenge phase and start trading with real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, this is for those who already have a tested strategy or want to hit the ground running. It's fast, efficient, and still structured around the same risk rules that keep your account safe.
In the Instant Funding Package, you select an account size 10,000, 25,000, 50 or $100,000, and you start trading real funds from day one. The rules are straightforward: 5% daily loss limit, 10% maximum loss, and 1/100 leverage. There's no simulated phases. You're already in the funding stage, and your profit share up to 90%.
And to summarize, the challenge package is perfect if you want a step-by-step progression. Prove your skill, get familiar with WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit share. The instant funding package is for traders who want to start with the real capital immediately, with the overall rotation and profit sharing benefit in time.
Exactly. Think of it this way. Challenge package build confidence, demonstrate skill, grow progressively. Instant funding trade live capital immediately if you are confident in your strategy. Both paths lead to the same destination, scaling your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget, both packages are fully compliant with WeMasterTrade risk management rules. That's our guarantee. You have a clear, transparent path whether you are learning, testing, or trading full time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill level and comfort risk.
And so whatever stage you're as beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there we want to do a packet for you. And coming up next, we're going to a side-by-side comparison of challenge and instant funding, so you can clearly see account size, reach, rules, timeline, profit share opportunities.
The $25,000 to $100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funded accounts. If you pass other broad challenges or have strong verified trading history, this is the natural next step to level up your career.
And every challenge packet comes with a one-time fee. For example, it charges $50 for the 10,000 challenge. Here the good part, the fee is refundable when you become the funded and meet minimum performance conditions. And if you don't go your way, you're eligible for a 30% reset discount, so you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to rule challenge at all and want a real capital from day one, earning purely based on result? And that's where our instant funding package come in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stands out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced, disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluations, no demo stages, just live trading, fully packed with a structured, fair, and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, preferences, and goals. Today we will go through the 4-man instant funding package: 5-10-10, 5-10-0, 5-10-10 WC, and customize. We will compare the detail, but most importantly, we will help you figure out which package is right for you.
And let me set this in, or instant funding packages gives you a live trading asset from day one. That means no challenge phase, no evaluation. You pay one, follow the rule, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, includes no time limits, up to 90% profit share, a scale-up plan toward $1 million, support for EA, swing trades, scalping, and even energy strategy. And now let's go packet by packet. And Rob and Scarlett, I want you to chime in the real advice. Who should choose which packet and what kind of trader help you succeed with each? Okay, let's begin to the 5-10 packet. Same the maximum capital up to the $200,000, but now you get a 5% day lot and a 10% over limit. So why is that important?
The extra breathing room is huge for traders who scale into positions or like taking multiple entries per setup. Imagine you're in a volatile market with fast swing. The 5-10-10 rules let you navigate larger moves without hitting daily limits prematurely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
The profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with the higher risk window. And as always, you get full flexibility, scalping, EA, near trading, swing trades, HFT, whatever suits your style. This package is all about tolerance and adaptability. It rewards traders who understand position sizing, risk management, and market timing.
And so Rob and Scarlett, for someone deciding between the standard and 5-10-10, how do they know which fit their trading professionally?
Well, if you prefer low risk, steady growth, standard is your friend. You can compound slowly without pressures. 5-10-10 is for those who understand volatility, manage multiple positions, and want a slightly larger cushion. You have more room to make strategic moves without being cut off by limits.
Exactly. We've seen many traders graduate from standard to 5-10-10 once they understand their edges. It's about scaling safely yet aggressively when the opportunities arise. And this package is perfect for day traders, especially those focusing on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, gold, or volatile forex pairs. If you already have a tested intraday strategy and want a little extra breathing room for risk, this is the package for you. It gives you flexibility without sacrificing structure.
And it's also great for traders who strive for clear targets. That 10% profit goal acts as a motivating milestone, keeping you focused and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and this package gives them that clarity without feeling restricted.
And so to sum up, 5-10-10 for a high tolerant intraday and active trader. And then we will dive into the 5-10-0 and 5-10-10 WC package, which are even more flexible for a range trading style, including EAs, scalping, and more RFC strategy. And now this one, a personal favorite for traders who love trading on the day term, the 5-10-0 package. You will get 5% daily lot, 10% overall lot, but 0 profit target. That's right, no number chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patient, and let results come naturally.
For traders who thrive on precision over pace, this is pure freedom. You focus on protecting capital, building consistent gains, and growing your account without any arbitrary pressures. No target, just trading, clean control, and strategy.
This package is perfect for low-frequency traders and market snippers. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, each with careful planning, this environment actually rewards patience rather than punishing it.
So, who is it for? Veterans, swing traders, risk-conscious traders, basically anyone who values consistency over speed. If that sounds like you, this package will feel like home.
And let's face it, not every trader wants to chase targets. Some just want to trade cleanly, scale smartly, and grow steadily. This is the package for them.
And next are for traders who want maximum flexibility without constraints. The 5-10-10 no PC bucket. And Scarlett, correct me if I'm wrong, this one remove rule frequency rule.
Exactly, same 5-10 risk profile, but no pressure to smooth out your profits. You can hit big wins, take calculated swings, and you're not penalized for volatility in results.
Just a heads up, trade capital aren't allowed, so this is for manual traders only. But for those who enjoy high risk, high reward trading with occasional big buy, this is the ideal arena.
And it's for aggressive traders, risk takers, or anyone frustrated by strict consistency rules elsewhere. Trade how you want as long as you respect the drawdown limits.
And last but not least, the customer package. Think of this as WeMasterTrade saying, should you find the rule within your strategy?
You can set your own daily loss, overall loss, and even fund up to $400,000. The largest funding option we offer is designed for serious traders who want total control without compromising on flexibility.
This is premium all-access trading. You can use EA's new strategies, weekend holding, HFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the package that lets you bring it to life. And who's it for? Top-tier professionals, ex-hedge fund traders, high-volume traders, signal providers, anyone who wants a fully tailored trading setup. This package puts the blueprint in your hands.
I always say if you have tried other models and nothing fixed, the customized package lets you build your own roadmap. That level of freedom is rare in the trading world and extremely powerful for serious traders.
And to wrap it up, every instant funding package we offer is built around clarity, fairness, and real opportunity. Clear risk parameters, committee commission, full market asset, and chain of profit potential. No artificial time limit and payout. You can start at early at the very next day.
And here's the best part, no matter your trading style, scalping, swing, algo, or manual, there's an account that matches you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now and the growth compound naturally.
And if you're ever on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's the real secret. Pick the accounts that suit your discipline, not your dreams. The right fit always outperforms the flashes promise.
And alright, trader, we will explore the hour rule after having a short break.
Trade. 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 copy trade. We copy trade. We copy trade. 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 Trade.
Alright trader, welcome back to our live stream. You have seen the packages, now it's time to tackle the rule that can make it or break your account. The daily lot limit. Stay tuned, this one separates the promo from the punish. That funded feel amazing, but staying funded, that's the real game and the number one reason account gets shut down, wanting daily lot.
Yes, the infamous daily loss. Most traders think they understand it until it closes their account mid-trade on a Tuesday afternoon classic.
But here's the silver lining. Once you really grasp it, this will become one of your best allies in risk management. Today we will break it down step by step with real examples.
And so what is it? The daily loss limit, also called the maximum daily loss, set the hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including both close and floating trades. Hit it even for a second and your account shoot down automatically.
And here's the nuance is always calculated from the highest of your starting balance or equity. That's more details what catches so many traders off guard.
Think of it as a safety ledge. It's not there to punish you, it's there to keep you in the game.
And let's get practical. The JFI, your balance is 105,000, but your equity is 107,000 times to some floating profit.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculated from 107,000, the higher number.
4% of $107,000 is about $4,280. Your equity cannot drop below $102,720 that day or it's auto liquidation.
And here the kicker, this is real time. The system doesn't wait, dip below for even second and boom, account closed.
So now flip it. Day 7 balance is $100,000. Equity is $99,000 because some trades are in loss.
Well, since the balance is higher, 4% daily loss equals $4,000. Your equity must stay above $96,000 on day.
Drop to 95,999 until liquidation trigger. No margin call, no warning, just done.
The system executes a market order to close everything. All trades liquidated, account disabled. You cannot trade again unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it executes at live market prices, leverage can make the final profit and loss worse than expected. That $3,900 loss you planned could turn into $4,200 in seconds.
And that's why we always say, don't dance on the egg. Respect the limit, protect your capital, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
Alright traders, now let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where the broke mindset kicks in.
Tip 1. Know your buffer. Don't run trades that push you right into the edge of your limit. Leave at least 10 to 15% cushion below your max, especially in volatile markets.
Tip 2. Focus on equity, not just balance. Most traders stare at their balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you're already at risk of a violation.
Tip 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade Live Risk Dashboard. Check your loss status frequently. Don't rely on memory or guesswork.
Tip 4. Pause after early losses. If you lose 3% in the first hour of the London session, stop, reflect. Don't try to revenge trade back into the green.
Tip 5. Trade smaller during news events. Trading gold during NFP at full size. That's a fast track to hitting daily loss. Scale down your loss. Ride the most volatility move safely.
Okay, let's talk about the trust. What mistake do traders make more often with daily loss?
Number 1. Over leveraging. Opening trades that are 5 to 7% of your account, thinking you will exit quickly. When it goes very fast, it's already too late.
Number 2. Holding overnight without checking exposure. 3 trades left overnight. Wake up to a 60 pip gap. Daily loss can trigger before you even open your eyes.
And the third big mistake?
Well, you assuming only close trades matter. Nope, equity includes floating profit and loss too. That's your real score. And I always tell new traders, the daily loss isn't your enemy. Think of it as your account airbag. It's designed to stop you from making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly. It forces discipline. You can be aggressive, but only inside the box. Learn that and you'll last longer than 90% of the market.
And one last point, this isn't just about rules, it's about trust. We want to fund you because we trust you will manage risk responsibly. The daily loss is protect that trust for the both sides. And we have covered the daily loss rule, your day-to-day seatbelt. But now it's time to talk about the ultimate barrier. I'm talking about the mark loss rule, your account airbag. This isn't just for one day, it's for the entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think that I didn't hit my daily limit, I'm safe. But a few days of small losses add up and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly. The max loss is the final safety net. Hidden and the system sees your accounts as unsalvageable. Immediate closure, no exception.
Now let's break it down simply. If the total loss your account can certain across all trades at any moment. If your equity include open trades, dip below that threshold account is good, period.
Unlike the daily loss, which reset each day, this is cumulative. Lose 2% one day, 3% the next, cross the line and that's it.
The actual percentage depends on your package. Typically 6% or 10% of your starting balance is always based on your initial capital, not your equity or profits.
Suppose your account starts at 50,000 with 6% mark loss, that's 3,000.
Your equity can never fall below 47,000. Doesn't matter if you make 1,000 yesterday, it's cumulative from the start.
And remember, both closed and floating losses count. Closed $2,000, floating $1,200. Equity is $46,800. Below $47,000, account closed.
Not about net gain or loss across rate trades. It's about real-time equity and the stop loss rule.
Well, now say your account grows to 51,000. Profit feels great, is that right?
Yeah, but max loss is still based on original $50,000. So 6% limit is equal to $47,000. Profit only gives extra buffer.
Exactly, your equity can drop 4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
So what happens when you break it? Drop below the max loss even by a few dollars, and auto liquidation triggers instantly. All trades close at market price.
And like the daily loss slippage may make your final number slightly worse, that's just market reality.
And more importantly, one bridge, your account is permanently disabled. No reset, no rollback. Want to continue trading, you must purchase a new package.
And alright traders, here is the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the max loss box and trade like a pro without sweating every second?
Tip number 1, know your floor. Always check your total close losses every day. Don't wait for a dashboard alert to calculate it manually. Awareness is half the battle.
And tip 2, treat profit as armor, not ammo. Floating against don't mean going wide. Reduce lot sizes when you are ahead. Protect your capital, don't gamble it.
And tip 3, manage loading losses like a horse. Even one bull trade can turn your cushion into catastrophe. They alert trade discipline.
Tip 4, step back when danger looms. If you are 5% down on a 6% mass loss, don't chase it. Walk away, then take a break, analyze, patience saves account.
And tip 5, never fight volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size. Gold, Nasdaq, Euro pairs, they spike fast. Respect the market, respect the limit.
And now let's get real here at the mood that destroys account faster than you can blink.
1. Over leveraging. Opening positions are 5 to 7% of your account taking itself. One wrong move and you are toast.
2. Ignoring floating trades. Close trade losers. Think you're safe. One more ref trade floating $1,500 to $2,000. Boom, account crossed the line.
Number 3. Revenge trading. Lose yesterday, come back swinging today to recover. That's how a 6% mass loss disappears in 2 sections.
And number 4, sleepy during news. Tight chops doesn't matter. A single candle can rip out your buffer before you can blink.
Now listen up traders, the mass loss isn't the enemy, it's your protected self, your airbag. Every top traders I know treats it as non-negotiable process and the lesson is hard, accounts gone.
Exactly. Think of it as a reality check. If you're constantly skimming the edge, the problem isn't the rule, it's your strategy or mindset. Fix that and the account lasts years, not days.
So here's the mantra, trader. Respect the macro, trade inside the wall, rotate your equity, grow consistently. Treat it like your best friend and it will keep your account alive while more traders sell their truck around you.
At WeMasterTrade, we are not just handling our capital, we are building structures, discipline, and professionalism. The mass loss rule, that's the line that separates gamblers from true traders.
So let's look at it, trader. Here's what you need to remember about mark loss. It's a percentage of your starting balance, usually 6% or 10%. It's calculated from a real-time equity, not just your balance. It's got both close and floating losses, every penny matter. And here the kicker, one it breach, your account is gone permanently.
Think of it as your final safety net. Respect the trade smart and you'll survive where most traders fail.
And alright trader, we have covered the daily loss limit and the maximum loss rules, your capital safety net. Now let's talk about the result, not just risk. As WeMasterTrade, we want to see the trader grow, scale, and earn substantially. That's where profit consistency coming.
This rule separates lucky spy from true pros. It tells us whether you can make consistent profits over time instead of relying on one big win.
And it's also how we determine profit sharing withdrawals and scales up. Funded and can't withdraw at full profit. This rule is probably why.
And simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profit come in day to day. One who's spy and several flat or losing day, high ratio, low consistency.
At WeMasterTrade, most accounts require 30% profit consistency, meaning your best that cannot exceed 30% of your total profit. Exceptions, the 5-10 novelty package, no profit consistency rule at all.
Important, if your PC exceeds 20%, your profit share drops to 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in track if you want to maximize earning. And the formula is simple. Best trading day profit will divide to the total close profit and multiply by 100 equal to profit consistency ratio.
Best day means single day highest close profit. Total profits means the sum of on-close profits minus close losses. Floating losses don't count until closed.
So if your bad day is $200 and your total profits is $500, you can see 200 divided 500 multiply 100 equal to 40%. That's too high, and you need to trade more to reduce this ratio below 20% to eligible for payout.
So example, walk through 5-day results. In day 1, earn $100, day 2, earn $200, day 3, lost $50, day 4, earn $100, and day 5, earn $60.
So the total net profit, which is 100 minus 50 plus 200 plus 100 plus 60 equal $410.
And The better is there to add to $100. Your BC is 200 divide 410 multiply 100 equal to 48.78%.
Way above the 30% limit. Even though profitable, profit share drops to 10% until consistency improves.
And profit doesn't equal pay. Even profitable trader won't get full profit share if can add to concentrate.
If you rely on 1 or 2 months a day to carry your account, that's risk, not skill. You need steady wins.
And long-term balance equal to higher trust, scales up, and full profit share. That's what separates funded bros from lucky spikes. And how to improve PC over limit, don't panic, focus on evening out profit over multiple days.
So here are some practical tips. First of all, reduce your loss sizes for a few days. Next, take smaller control wins for about $200 to $300 per day. The third one is avoiding one massive swing trades, and finally, spread gains across multiple days.
And for EA users, monitor your equity curve. Both last buy profits into one day may hurt busy. Adjust to keep ratio below 20 to 30% for full profit share.
And the common mistakes, the first is hitting target early and resting inflates best day ratio.
Secondly, overtrading after a big day, trying to squeeze more equal higher ratio.
And three, ignoring the rule, profit consistency is what we actually measure for growth and scale.
Alright, profit consistency isn't a hurdle, it's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share.
Hit this and WeMasterTrade will trust you with bigger capital. Ignore it and even profitable accounts get reduced payout.
So remember, small, steady, reliable profits, one lucky buy any day. You keep it below 20 to 30% to maximize your profit share and scale fast.
So why profit consistency matters? At the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you, it's about building habits that can handle scale. If you can't be consistent with $25,000, what happens when we give you $100,000 or more?
Exactly, consistency is your ticket to trust. At WeMasterTrade, we fund traders, but we also study them. This will show whether you're serious about long-term trading or just chasing lucky spikes.
And we have seen it time and again. The trader who respect this rule, they are the one getting multiple payouts, referral, and even actually scale into six-figure funding account.
And so don't fear the rule, embrace it as its feedback. Too high, that's good. It means you'll make profit. Now the goal, balance it out over multiple sessions.
And remember, no manual math required. WeMasterTrade dashboard automatically calculate your profit consistency ratio. Check it at any time until your statistics time.
And quick recap for trader, this rule is about balance, not volume. Keep your best day under 20% of total profit for my payout. Spread your win across multiple sessions and monitor progress using the dashboard. And alright trader, next we will move on the highlight of economics calendar of the week.
Good day everyone and Merry Christmas to all of you joining us live. Today is Thursday, December 25th, and this is a very special trading day because most global markets are on holiday. So firstly, let's highlight the big pictures. Today we have bank holiday across almost all major currencies. And we are seeing bank holiday in New Zealand, Australia, Switzerland, France, Germany, Italy, United Kingdom, Canada, United States. With all these market closed, institutional participation is minimal. Spread can widen and price move may be unreliable.
And at 11:22 a.m. GPY, POG Governor Yoda speaks. Japan is one of the few markets still open today. POG Governor Yoda is scheduled to speak.
Any comments on inflation, wage growth, or policy normalization could move the yen. but keep expectation realistic given the holiday conditions.
And at 12 p.m., GPY housing starts actuals minus 8.5%. This is a sharp contraction in housing activity, coming in at minus 8.5% year on year.
Normally this would be bearish for Japanese yen, but today the reaction might be muted due to low liquidity.
And trading conditions warning, this is one of those days where no trade is often the best trade.
Exactly, any movement you see today is more likely driven by thin liquidity, algorithm or stop hunting, no remarkable flows.
And the market expectation summary.
Here's what traders should keep in mind today: no USD, Euro, GBP, CAD, institutional flows, widespread and unstable price action. Japanese yen is active but still affected by global holiday.
And this is a day for risk management, journaling or backtesting, not aggressive trading.
That wraps up our Christmas Day market update.
And enjoy the holiday, protect your capital, and we'll see you when liquidity returns.
Merry Christmas traders, and remember, trade smart, not hard.
And thank you so much to all the amazing viewers to join our live stream today. We truly appreciate your time and support. We hope this live session has helped you gain a better understanding of our community. Our engagement and question mean a lot to us, and we are always happy to connect and share more useful information with our trading. Stay tuned for our next live stream. You can wait to see you again and bring you even more helpful update and insight. And happy trading!